What if I told you that the great debate between natural and commercial cleaners doesn't have the simple answer that either side claims, and that honest head-to-head testing reveals a genuinely surprising picture where natural wins dramatically in some situations, commercial wins clearly in others, and understanding exactly which is which could transform your cleaning routine while saving you thousands. I spent 60 days running systematic comparisons across 15 real cleaning challenges with documented, honest results. The findings destroyed assumptions I'd held firmly in both directions. Stay with me, because truth serves you better than taking sides. The debate nobody is settling honestly. Two passionate camps have formed around household cleaning, and both speak with enormous confidence while selecting evidence strategically. Natural cleaning advocates argue that commercial products are unnecessarily toxic, environmentally destructive, significantly overpriced, and that generations managed perfectly without chemical companies inventing problems to sell solutions for. Commercial product defenders counter that modern formulations represent genuine chemistry advances, delivering consistent results that natural alternatives simply cannot match for demanding cleaning challenges. I've listened to both arguments for years, while remaining genuinely uncertain. Every comparison I found online had obvious bias in one direction. Natural cleaning advocates cherry-picked scenarios where natural solutions performed well. Commercial product promoters showcased challenges where natural solutions fell short. Nobody was honestly testing both approaches across diverse, realistic cleaning scenarios without predetermined conclusions. Vinegar and water solution with microfiber cloth produced consistently streak-free results that outperformed two commercial glass cleaners I tested simultaneously. The commercial products left subtle residues that required additional buffing. Natural solution, clear winner with lower cost and better results. Odor elimination, baking soda demonstrated consistently superior performance over commercial deodorizers across refrigerator, mattress, and carpet applications. Commercial products masked odors with fragrance. Baking soda neutralized them chemically. 2 weeks after treatment, natural treated surfaces remained odor-free while commercially treated surfaces had odor returning. Natural solution, decisive winner. Where commercial products win clearly. Heavy grease removal on commercial-level kitchen buildup. Commercial degreasers outperformed natural alternatives meaningfully on severe, baked-on grease accumulation. Natural solutions required significantly more dwell time and scrubbing effort to achieve comparable results on extreme grease. For heavy-duty kitchen cleaning in homes with high cooking frequency, commercial degreasers justified their cost through time savings. Commercial product, clear winner. Mold killing in severe bathroom situations. While hydrogen peroxide performed admirably on moderate mold, commercial bathroom mold killers with stronger active ingredients showed faster and more complete results on severe, established mold growth. Natural solution required multiple treatments to achieve what commercial product accomplished in single application. Commercial product wins on severe mold specifically, where results were essentially identical. General surface cleaning of counters, appliances, and non-porous surfaces, diluted dish soap with water, performed identically to most commercial all-purpose cleaners on standard everyday dirt and grime. Any difference in results fell within normal variation rather than meaningful performance gap. Winner, natural solution wins on cost since performance is equivalent. The honest financial analysis, testing both approaches simultaneously, for 60 days provided clear cost data. My natural cleaning supplies cost approximately 150 rupees monthly. My commercial products cost approximately 600 to 800 rupees monthly. Performance analysis shows natural solutions win or match commercial products across the majority of everyday cleaning tasks. Commercial products justify their premium cost specifically for severe grease, established mold, and old mineral staining. The practical conclusion. The honest answer is neither camp wants to acknowledge. Both approaches have legitimate strengths in specific applications. The optimal cleaning strategy uses natural solutions for the majority of everyday tasks where they match or exceed commercial performance, while keeping one or two targeted commercial products for the specific heavy-duty challenges where their chemistry genuinely outperforms natural alternatives. There you have it, the honest 60-day verdict. Natural wins on glass, odors, and fabric softening, Commercial wins on severe grease, established mold, and old mineral stains. Both perform identically on general surface cleaning. Use natural for most tasks, commercial only where genuinely necessary. If honest comparison just transformed your cleaning approach, smash that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more evidence-based cleaning truth. Share with anyone locked in the natural versus commercial debate. Comment which result surprised you most. I'll see you next time. Until then, test rather than assume. Use what actually works for each specific challenge, and clean smarter than either extreme camp suggests.